and I have to do it. I have to be crazy. I've got the anaconda on me. Oh! No. Welcome to a floating market in Thailand. Long ago, many towns in Thailand were built along canals and rivers. So these river markets were essential for everyday trade and life. Thais relied on these floating markets for convenience. At the floating market, you can buy fresh fruits and vegetables, Thai souvenirs, Thai jewelry, and unique Thai clothing.
Although they were once essential to life, Thailand has developed quite a bit, and now floating markets are mainly for tourists. They offer a unique shopping experience with vendors selling goods from boats to showcase Thai culture through traditional crafts and foods. Tourists can enjoy fresh local foods and buy special souvenirs. Visitors should be prepared to bargain. Now, many of the vendors charge way too much for the price for the goods, and you can bargain them down as long as you know how to do it politely. Having a Thai guide can really help with this. One of my favorite things to buy are the tasty snacks. Now, this woman is cooking up some tanom kok, which is a traditional Thai snack cooked with coconuts, and I'm just about to have a taste.
Let's eat some tanom kok that we just got from that nice woman cooking on her boat.
Very sweet.
Very sweet. Everything is sweet. Lots of sugar. These are popular things for tourists, shot glasses. Like I said before, don't be afraid to negotiate with them. It helps to have a Thai guide who knows how to do it politely, and he can negotiate down prices for you. This is very much a part of the riverboat culture. She originally wanted 350 for it, but we have we're lucky enough to have a really smart and helpful guide, Kru Nung, and he has negotiated the price of that shot glass down to 200 baht. So 350 baht would be about, I want to say, $10. And he negotiated it down to 200, which might be more about like $6. Now that may seem a little extreme to some. Who cares, right? $10 or $6. What's the difference? $4. But in Thailand, $4 is quite a bit.
Unfortunately, for most tourists, they don't come to places like this with a Thai guide, and people like this will end up paying at least 3 times as much as we did. Now, luckily, we had a really smart and helpful guide called Klu Nung, or Teacher Nung, and he's going to help Teacher Grace here. Teacher Grace is interested in these bracelets, and he managed to bargain the price down from 400 baht to 200 baht. Now, that's really helpful, especially for beginner teachers who don't make the most money here. And sometimes Thais are very helpful. They'll go along, they'll smile, they'll work with you, like this nice woman here. But others are not so friendly. This woman thinks that we're rich tourists, and she attempted to charge Teacher Grace 900 baht for one of these bags. Klu Nung says at maximum it's worth 700 baht. But this woman doesn't want to do it for that price, and she does not smile either. She just wants to rip people off.
You can find some furry friends along the way. Those are pretty street dogs. Oh, is that a snake? I'm sad, man. I wanted to take a picture with that snake. And I have to do it. I have to be crazy. I've got the anaconda on me. Oh my goodness, anaconda. I am totally afraid of snakes. And this is absolutely freaking me out at the moment. Oh my God. This is nuts. The snake could devour me if it wanted to. Oh my God, I feel it on my leg. And I had to do it. All right, get this thing off of me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The Thais are not shy about this. Oh, oh my God, a special snake. Oh my goodness. I think that's what they think of me here. That's what they think of me. No, 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 I cannot do it. All right, all right. Ah, kiss the snake. Oh, that was a rush.